Hey guys, so you see something new right here, and it's a Hoover Runabout bagged upright vacuum. It's similar to the Elite. Yeah, the light works on this one, so I just plugged it in and there's the hose for it. So what the PTA staff at my middle school had this was her vacuum since the 90s, I think. So, and here we go. So I'm gonna take a look at the belts and the bag. I'll get started. Okay, so I cleaned it up and I changed the bag because it had a rip in it, and the belt kind of looks okay. Then the light actually works, and it works really good. So I'll give you a demonstration. Okay guys, see what it does. Alright guys, that's us for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Then I'll compare the Elite to the Runabout. Bye.